Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to enable virtualization in Windows 11. The first step is the UEFI BIOS configuration. In order to access the UEFI BIOS configuration, you need to go over to your settings, then click on System, then Recovery, Advanced Setup, Restart Now. Now after your computer restarts, choose Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, then UEFI Firmware Settings, then Restart. This will take you to your UEFI BIOS settings. Then next, you'll need to find the virtualization setting. The location of the virtualization settings can vary, so you'll need to look for options like Virtualization Technology, Intel VT-X, AMD V, or similar terms. These are often found in the Advanced Configuration or Security tabs. Then enable the virtualization settings. Save your changes and exit UEFI BIOS, and your computer will restart. It is important to note that UEFI BIOS interfaces differ between manufacturers, so if you're unsure, you'll need to consult your computer's manual or manufacturer's website to be sure. The second part of this guide is enabling virtualization features in Windows 11. So first, you'll need to turn Windows features on or off. Search for Turn Windows Features On or Off in the Windows search bar and open it. Then you have a virtual machine platform. Ensure the box next to the virtual machine platform is checked. This is essential for features like Windows Subsystem for Linux and Windows Subsystem for Android. Then you also have Windows Hypervisor platform. This is used by some third-party virtualization applications, and if needed, you'll need to check this box. Then click on OK and restart your computer if prompted. Now there are some key considerations to remember. Your CPU's compatibility is important to take note of. Most modern CPUs do have compatibility with virtualization, but it's worth checking your CPU's specifications. Then you also have the Task Manager check. You can quickly check if virtualization is enabled in the Task Manager. So in order to do this, open your Task Manager, or with a keyboard shortcut of Ctrl, Shift and Escape. Go to the Performance tab and look for virtualization under the CPU section. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully enable virtualization on your Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, do give us a like and subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.